another one there. There's another one here. I think there's the whole family there.
This is so cool.
This is a baby.
Where's the baby?
Yeah. And there's another baby there.
This is a
Another
cub.
one. So this is the closest that you can be with the lions.
That's pretty cool.
If you get closer more than this, then you can be very harmful.
What happened?
And they'll attack you
But
or they'll
They
run
will
away?
they will run away, especially the cubs, because some